Hello again, Landau leaders. Mrs. Effenhauser here again with our 6th Makerspace Challenge. This week, I'm challenging you to make one of these 2 ball launcher designs. Remember, you can find our previous challenges on the Landau Library It's Learning page. For our first design, you will need a water bottle, rubber bands, yarn or string, and some tape. For our second design, you'll need a balloon, a cardboard tube, and also some tape. Now you'll want something to launch, so you can use a ping pong ball or something like aluminum foil rolled up really tight into a ball, or a pom-pom. For our first design, you'll want to take a water bottle. It can be a small one like this or a larger one, and you're going to cut the water bottle right about here. You can squish the water bottle in half and go ahead and make your cut. And that's what you end up with. Next thing you're going to do is make some cuts. Now I've used a Sharpie, and you'll make 4. You'll make all the way around 4 of them. One here, one on the opposite side on the back, one here on this side, and one on the opposite side. Then after you've made your cuts, you're going to take one of the rubber bands and insert it in the slots that are opposite from each other. So it will look like that. The next thing you're going to do is take the other rubber band and insert that in the slots that are on the opposite sides, like this. And I'll end up making an X like that. Now, to keep these sides from falling down, you'll want to put tape right across there. I'm going to show you on one side. So on the outside, you can take some tape and go right across that place where you made the cut. Once you have your rubber bands in place, you're then going to tie a string to that cross right in the middle. You're going to run the other end of the string through the hole so that it looks like this. Now what we want to do is attach this bottle cap to the end of this string. To do that, we're going to take a nail and a hammer and hammer a hole in the middle of the bottle cap. Then we can run the string through the end of the bottle cap. And once you attach your string, it will look like that. Now, you want your string to be short enough so that when you pull on the rubber bands, it snaps back and hits the bottle. That's part of what helps launch your ball out of your ball launcher. For our next design, we're going to take a balloon and tie a knot in the end. You might need parent help to help you tie that knot. And then after we've tied a knot, we're going to cut the balloon in half, right about right there. Then we're going to take our cardboard tube, open up our balloon really wide, and put over the end of the cardboard tube. Now you'll notice it's not really tight, so that's why I'm going to use tape to tape all the way around to make sure it stays on nice and tight. Now for this ball launcher, my ping pong ball was too large. So what worked really well for me was to use aluminum foil, really tightly wadded up into a ball. Put it inside, pull on the end, and away you go. If you want to add an extra element to the fun, you can challenge a partner to try and catch the ball after you've launched it straight in the air into a scoop, which you can make out of a milk jug. Just cut the bottom off of a milk jug and someone can try and catch the ball that you've just launched.